Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are hiking to Kettle Falls here in the wondrous Arkansas Ozarks. It is about 16 degrees. Got an ice storm going on in parts of the state. Most of Oklahoma. About a third of the U.S. is actually getting pretty jacked up right now. It is frigid. The trail is frozen solid. And you might be asking yourself, why are you doing this? Like one of my friends did earlier. When I left my trip plan with him, which everyone should always do. Just because. This is nature at its finest, man, and I have a sneaking suspicion that waterfall might be glorious with icicles this morning. Roads were good enough to get here, and I didn't have to work because no freight because of the ice storm, so no packages to deliver. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm pretty jacked. Pretty frozen, but I'm pretty jacked. So we're going to get after this. We want to talk about crystal clear. I'd say that's about 3 feet deep. Those lighter colored rocks in the bottom to the water line there. I mean, that is absolutely clarion clear water. It's beautiful. My suspicions have been confirmed. This is awesome. This gives me high hopes for the waterfall. Give you some perspective here. This camera is so bad for that. It's about a 30-foot tall bluff, 25 to 30. This is actually pretty spectacular in person. It's pretty massive. Some of those icicles there have to be 6 or 7 feet long at the top. Wow. That is awesome. Oh man, I'm excited. Hope the waterfall doesn't disappoint. You know, you win some, you lose some. Still beautiful, but lacking in water. And unfortunately, even sort of kind of lacking in icicles. I thought we'd get at least some good icicles. Some along the bluff edges and the slow drips, but we are dry as a bone. This is still awesome. This is kind of cool. We can get down in here without busting my arse. Oh, this is cool. Get close. What do we got going on here? Oh man, those are solid. I just want one just to look at it. How about this guy? I can't even get it. It's frozen solid, but look at that. That's actually really, really neat. Wonder if we play with the exposure, if it'll help make it stand out. Not a lot. Well, like I said, win some, you lose some. Now you may ask yourself, or rather, you may be asking me, Justin, was it worth it? It's a good question. Yeah, it was, because a disappointing day on the trail, as they say, is far better than a great day at work, even, honestly. And yeah, it's totally worth it, and it's hella better than sitting at home. But yeah, we'll try to salvage something out of this. There's some great icicle formations over some of these overhangs. I'll try to take some pictures of. Maybe we can squeeze something out of that. Well, anyway, Sorry that today's trip was disappointing, but appreciate you guys watching. And if you like most of the content I'm putting out, maybe not necessarily today's, um, please like and subscribe. Those are the two most important things. They help the channel grow. And additional to that, yeah, go to waywardstories.com. That's where you can find the links to my Instagram and all the other social stuff, and basically a little idea of everything that I'm trying to do. Um, waywardstories.com is the place to go. So once again, appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'm gonna start the. This is gonna be an interesting hike out today. I'll be honest with you guys, because the hill you have to hike down in on was frozen solid, and it was sketchy, very sketchy. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on my slow trek out. Catch you in the next one.